Hi everyone, it's Miss Scotto. I wanted to make a quick video going over last night's homework so that if you got any questions wrong, hopefully this video will clarify that for you. So if you look over to the screen to the right, I kind of have a split screen here. To the right, I made a reference sheet of different transformations, and to the left, I have the quizzes part 1, which was Wednesday night's homework, posted. So this reference sheet I have open because we're going to use this as a guide to help us for transformations. I will post this on our classroom website so you have it to look at. So for part 1, we looked at horizontal and vertical shifts. So we are only really going to be looking at this column here, okay? Here we have our function. If we're adding or subtracting outside of any type of parentheses, we're going to be shifting up and down. On the bottom, we have our horizontal shifts. If we're adding or subtracting inside of parentheses, then we're shifting left or right. So let's look at our first question here. The parent function, f of x, is represented by the blue line, and then we have our red line, which is g of x. So we want to know, what does this represent? So on our picture, we could see that our parent function, which is blue, is shifting to the left. It's shifting to the left 6 units or 6 boxes. So which one here says shift to the left? Right here. So our equation needs to look like we are adding 6 inside of parentheses. Let me show the answers here. And here, indeed, we are adding 6 inside of parentheses. All right, so hopefully you'll get this as we start moving along. The next one, let's look at this picture. We're going from blue to red. So it looks like we are shifting from the left to the right. We are shifting to the right 6 units. Which one here says shifting to the right 6 units? Right here. So we need to be inside of parentheses, and we need to see a subtraction. Very good. Third question. First, we look at our image. We are shifting. What direction are we shifting? Hopefully you're saying up. Which function shifts up? Right here. So we need an addition sign outside of a parentheses, which we have here. Number 4, moving along. Here, which way are we shifting? From blue to red, we are shifting to the right. So here, we are shifting to the right. We're going to be inside a parentheses, and we need a subtraction symbol right here. Very good. Next picture, which way are we shifting? We're shifting up. In order to shift up, we are adding outside of a parentheses. Adding outside of parentheses. Number 6, almost done. Stay with me. We are shifting left. So in order to shift left, we are adding inside of parentheses right here. 7, we are shifting down. In order to shift down, we need to subtract outside the parentheses. Here we go. And 8, 9, and 10. So for 8, which way are we shifting? We are shifting left. In order to shift left, we are adding inside of parentheses. Yes, we are. Number 9, we're shifting down. In order to shift down, we are subtracting outside of parentheses right here. And last but not least, number 10, which way are we shifting? We're shifting to the left. And in order to shift to the left, we are adding inside of parentheses. So hopefully this video cleared things up for you. For part 2 of the Nearpod, you are going to be working on flipping your function and stretching it. So here are the functions for that, and this is what they look like. This one, you're going to multiply a negative number. That will flip your function over the x-axis. Here we're multiplying, but inside the parentheses, you're going to flip over your y. And last but not least, if you multiply by a fraction, your function is going to become wider. And if you multiply by a number greater than 1, then it's going to get more narrow. All right, great job. You guys are doing a wonderful job. Keep it up, and I will talk to you later. Bye, everyone.